You have won $1,000. Please provide your bank account number to receive your prize. Anonymous.
It's a scam! Scammers use this technique to hack into your accounts.
Number 1. Be alert. If you receive an email like this, please report and block the contact, and also delete the contact to prevent further scams. Don't post personal things such as your location and who you are with. These things are meant to be private, and also do not share PINs and IDs, as hackers can use this to hack into your account.
Be sure. S. Source. Look at its origins. Is it trustworthy? U. Understand. Know what you are reading. Search for clarity. R. Research. Dig deeper. Go beyond the initial source. E. Evaluate. Find the balance. Exercise fair judgment.
Be sure